Cancer, hi there, how are you doing? Hope you're doing great. I'm your host Vikas Chandra Pedarella. Let's do your reading for the month of August 2020 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. Bottom of the deck, this is the pre-shuffle. You got Two of Wands, which is in the bottom of the deck. So I believe you're planning, or you have to plan in the month of August. If you're not already planned for the month of August, what are the things you have to do? This is a sign that you have to plan it. Okay, during the pre-shuffle, I saw this card also, which popped out, and it is Hanged Man. Okay, now Hanged Man is delay. It represents delay, but coming as the first card, it means various things, and Hangman has a lot of information to it. So if you're aware about tarot, the Empress card is the mother of Hangman. So Hangman will be Empress son. Okay, so it also has, deep down, it also has the Empress quality, which is creativity. And Hangman is someone who is learning how to be creative and utilizing that, creativity to see things in a different perspective. So this bat has inherited its creativity from its mom, which came from the Empress card. So I believe there are many things with regards to Hangman, and coming as the first card, definitely it has to play a major role, and delay is something which is seen here with regards to anything. Maybe you're working on some project and the results are being delayed, or you're not able to move forward, progress. 12 also might be significant because this is 12th card. Mostly during the 12th day of August, something might be there. Yeah, another major arcana, which is Tower. Both are major arcanas. Okay. Now major arcanas, unlike minor arcanas, it has major messages in a reading. And Tower is nothing but destruction. Maybe you're feeling little distracted and you don't have hope that things will go forward, because Hangman is delay. You're seeing things in a different perspective, you're analyzing things, and also you're using the creativity which has been inherited or unconsciously taught to you, which you really don't even know. It's kind of like very unconscious talent, and talent is nothing, it can be reversible, it can be transmuted. So that's the reason I said there are many things, and it's very complicated when Hangman comes as the first card. And surprisingly, next card is also major arcana, which is Tower. So I can say, like, you're working on some project, but if the results, or you are not able to move forward in another level, progress further, then you feel distracted. You feel like you can't do anything. You feel like that it's over. You don't have any hope. That's the Tower card next to Hangman. Okay. Of course, it is painful. Tower card. I feel like that want to come out. Emperor. Okay. Interesting. Now I talked about Empress. Okay, which is the mother of Hanged Man. That's where the creativity came. But if Empress is the mother for Hanged Man, then Emperor will be the father of Hanged Man. But creativity hasn't been inherited from the Emperor. It came from the Empress. Okay. And seeing things in a different perspective, definitely it came from the Emperor, because Emperor is structure, it is knowledge. I feel like you're gonna learn. Emperor is knowledge. someone who is very mature, very experienced. Okay, that is Emperor. Now you're gonna learn. Okay, as time goes on, the tree builds up even bigger. So even this is a tree which has been struck by lightning, and you're thinking that this tree is dead, there is no hope for the tree to grow. But in fact, the tree is as it is. You can see this. But since you're seeing things in a different perspective from this hangman, everything looks upside down. Of course, that's the thing you have to remember. When you're in the hangman position, you have to remember that you're hanging and everything looks upside down. If this is not struck by lightning, it appears as though it is struck by lightning, and you are gonna fear the destruction. But remember, you're in a hangman position, it is in reverse. Okay, the tree is totally fine. Black and white might be significant for you because all three cards have that symbolism of black and white. World card, another major arcana, and surprisingly you got a hat trick, and also fourth card is also major arcana. Okay, now I don't know if anyone got yeah, definitely someone has got the past July reading. One of the zodiac sign has got 4 major arcanas continuously, and it was in the second half of the reading. But you got the first 4 cards as major arcanas. It is really nice to see, Cancer. If you're ascendant, then definitely it is a major month, August, for you, for sure. World is completion of a cycle. So you're gonna end this. You're gonna walk out from this hangman position. You're gonna leave hanging and you're gonna fly. Okay, you will stop hanging because you already know that tree is fine and it's time to move. Now you have seen the reality, okay, how it looks like being upside down. And since you find that creativity of, you know, the hangman position, the cycle will be ended, the world card, and you're gonna move. A new cycle will start, meaning you will get out of this hangman position. And 4 major arcanas, first 4 cards, then definitely it is significant. Okay. Yeah, another 2 cards came out. I'll take one. I saw 7 of cups in the bottom of the deck, behind this card, but it was 2 cards behind, meaning there was another card, I don't know which was it. Behind that there was 7 of cups, which means having many options. So in life, so when world card comes, you'll realize there are many options to choose and you don't know what to choose in this new cycle to start. And you'll figure it out by Hermit. Hermit is getting the, you know, knowledge about something. That is Hermit. He's an old man. He'll carry the lantern across the mountain and seeks enlightenment through looking at the stars and stuff. That's why you got stars in the world card. The stars over here. This Hermit card will cross across the mountain, which is world. World is also travel. Going to other worlds, going to other countries, represents world. It also represents travel. So this Hermit card will travel for the stars, looking at the stars to gain some insight and enlightenment. And as I told, 7 of cups was in 2 cards before. So 7 of cups is options. You're going to figure out the options and you'll choose wisely during this realization, seeking the answers. Okay. And Cancer, you're the only person in my readings till now. You have got first 5 cards as major arcanas. So congratulations. And all these 5 cards are not that bad. Okay, definitely not that bad. Tower card is definitely destruction, but I can see that this energy is there because of Hangman. You're seeing things upside down. and you have to realize that you're seeing upside down. And this tree is totally fine, as I said, the Emperor, it's totally fine. Okay. So let's continue. We'll see how many major arcanas will come out. Yeah, this is Cups energy, and as you can see, this one flipped out. Okay. Of course, it is minor arcana, and it is 9 of Cups. Now, Virgo or Taurus has got 9 of Cups. So check out. I'll mention in the annotations if you're dealing with Virgo or Taurus. I don't remember who got it, but definitely either Virgo or Taurus has got, I believe. And this 9 of Cups, you have to analyze very carefully. There are 9 cups, of course, if you count it, but there are actually 10 if you look at the geometry of it, because even this U forms like a cup. Okay, this U shape, which is 4 over here, 4, 8 and 9, this forms like a cup. So they are almost 10 cup. This 9 is becoming 10, but the energy is over here. It has to move to another element. That's it. So you're gonna feel emotionally fulfilled, but what you're doing is, since it came as the first minor arcana, I can see after going to the hermit mode, 7 of Cups is realization that you have many options. So what you're doing is you're choosing little by little of emotions from all the cups of the 7 of Cups, and you're working on that. So eventually you will move to the 10, which is a good thing. Okay, so keep doing what you're doing right now, for sure. And it's happening very soon. The Hangman energy will be released very, very soon. Another major arcana, you got the Devil, for sure. So this is very interesting, because most of the time when Devil comes, it will come before World card, and World card will come after the Devil. Okay, so I feel like you're running into very small time periods which you have to clear right now. Very small goals you're working on, because even this 9 of Cups is something which is very small. These small cups. So you're planning to strive to get small cups. That's the reason during the pre-shuffle I told bottom of the deck was 2 of Wands, which is a planning, way to go. So you're planning to have these small cups, small emotions, so that will make you happy, and eventually you will reach to big cup. Devil is completion. It's also obsession. Devil is obsession. It represents cycles, doing multiple times repeatedly. That is Devil card. And in this reading, definitely it is not that bad. Yeah. So now 7 of Cups came out. I told you it was before. It was before like back of this Hermit card, and I told you there was another card before this one, which was actually these energies, which I actually didn't see, but it was it was not revealed, but it was these energies, and I could actually feel it. That's the actual meaning of it. When cards are squashed together, it means it has depth, and after clearing this, then you have to go to the next one. That's the meaning of it. And 7 of Cups again popped out. Definitely 7 is definitely significant, I can assure you that. And it has to do with many odd numbers is also seen here, for sure. Very interesting. It's like you will complete few things which you you'll plan things very precisely, and it will be very short, and you'll do it very quickly. And after that, devil is obsession. You want more and more, so you'll again look back what and all options you have. Again you'll thrive, is what I'm saying. Okay, because 7 of Cups is options, having multiple options is 7 of Cups. So you'll have goals, you'll set goals, you'll finish them, which are not big, which are definitely small and makes you happy, and it is something that is making you grow also. Okay, and definitely universe is trying to guide you through, because there is a crescent moon over here, it is also there over here, and it is also there over here. Okay, 3 times, another hat trick you got. So you're striving for this nine of Cups. Geometrically it is 10, because this also forms like a cup, and universe is guiding you. Now another, after the devil cycle is over, you're starting something new again. You're looking back what and all options you have to start new things. I feel like for few of you, majority of it has to do with talents. Okay, what and all talents you have, and making sure you're working on them one by one and getting results from it. And 9 of Wands is obstacles. So universe is guiding you to start small and achieve results like a beginner level, so that there won't be many obstacles to move forward to this crescent moon. Universe is guiding you, because if you think big, there is no problem, but you won't start moving because you feel like there are so many obstacles to reach there, and it is a long way to go and reach to this light. But if you look at small options that you have, all these clouds will clear out. You won't feel like there are many obstacles, and it is also motivating for you to move forward. Devil is obsession. It will create that motivation for you to move forward. So this is a major month for you, Cancer, and I can see you. It's definitely a beautiful month. So many wands energy. Emperor Tower also has that wand energy. It has that stick. Lot of Cups energy. Son of Cups, what can I say? 9 of Cups you got, 7 of Cups you got, and Son of Cups you got. Cups energy is definitely seen here. 6 major arcanas as of now. Really very beautiful, Cancer. And for many of you it might be your birthday also. Sun, Moon and Rising, Cancer. August month might be your birthday for sure. Son of Cups is small emotions which is increasing. So you're definitely growing, Cancer. This is a month for you for growth. Okay, that's definitely seen here. Everything what I'm seeing here is all about you. Okay, it's all about you. 9 of Cups, there is no other person. 9 of Cups energy is only a single person energy, and getting results, working hard, which are definitely small, but in this case for you it is definitely needed. You have to start small. Okay, for Virgo reading, I told definitely check out Virgo or Taurus. You have to check out Virgo also in this case, because I told them you might be dealing with a Virgo also, but I can't see them here. Okay, now Hermit card is definitely Virgo. Yeah, it might be Virgo because you got Hermit card. Definitely check out Virgo reading, because in that reading I told them to think big. Okay, because they're focusing so much on 9 of Cups energy, they're stuck in that. Okay, they are not moving. But for you, Son of Cups you got. You're definitely increasing the vibration of the Cups energy. For you it's definitely good. If you're dealing with a Virgo, check out Virgo reading. I'll mention the annotations. Yeah, 9 of Pentacles. I told you it is your month, August, Cancer. It's definitely a very beautiful month for you, August. And if it is your birthday, let me know in the comments down below. And also let me know how it goes on with your finances, and if you have any talent which you are working on in the month of August, do let me know in the comments down below. And Nine of Cups energy is deep down being fulfilled. You are feeling like you're growing. You're feeling like you're investing your time in the right places and working on your talents. And figuring out your talents, what are your talents, is definitely everyone has to do in their life. And it opens doors for creativity, which I told in the beginning. Hangman is all about creativity, which has been inherited from the Empress, the mother. Empress card is not here anyways, because you got Emperor. No, Emperor and Empress card doesn't come out in the reading often, unless if there is another person involved. But this reading is all about you. That's the reason there's no Empress. You got Hangman and Emperor. So remember that. That's all I have for you, Cancer. A beautiful month. There is no advices. Just move forward. Definitely take note of synchronicities and guidance that the universe is giving you. Okay. If there is some unexpected information which has been sent to you regarding your talents, receive it and go after it, because there is 3 crescent moons over here. It's a hat trick. So many major arcana, 6 major arcanas, and this Hermit is also seeking answers from the stars. And you can see the stars over here in the World card. Many synchronicities. Even this tree, what you're looking, is definitely from the Hangman energy. That's all I have for you, Cancer. Such a beautiful reading this is. One of the best readings ever done in the month of August. And do watch it again if you want to get more clarity. If you have any doubts, you can comment down below and do let me know how it resonated. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Click on the bell icon to get notified. Never miss a video. And yeah, until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you, Cancer.